In this video, I wanted to look in a little bit more detail at our new 2-volume collection, Achieving Sustainable Cultivation of Grain Legumes. Volume 1 is on general advances in breeding and cultivation, whilst Volume 2 looks at improving cultivation of particular grain legumes. The lead editor is Dr. Shobha Sivasankar, former director of the CGIAR research program on grain legumes, and other members of an impressive editorial team are from places like ICRISAT, ICARDA, CIAT and IITA. In this video I wanted to focus on Volume 2, which has two parts. Part 1 is on cultivation of common beans, lentils, soybeans and groundnuts, whilst Part 2 looks at cowpea, fava beans and pigeon pea. To give you a feel of the book, I wanted to pick out a chapter from each of these parts. The first one is Chapter 1 on developing improved varieties of common bean, which is written by James Kelly of Michigan State University in the US. This chapter describes advances in common bean improvement programs, focuses on ways of improving yields whilst overcoming a wide range of biotic and abiotic production constraints. The chapter assesses the wide range of breeding procedures used to achieve these objectives, from idiotype breeding to quantitative tray analysis of yield trays. In Part 2, I wanted to pick out Chapter 13 on efficient and sustainable production of fava bean, and this is written by a particularly impressive team of authors from institutions such as the Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences, the International Plant Nutrition Institute, the University of Melbourne, University of Helsinki, and the International Centre for Agricultural Research in the Dry Areas, ICARDA. The chapter focuses on the challenges of fava bean cultivation under rain-fed growing conditions in areas ranging from China to North and East Africa. The chapter reviews key advances, for example, in fava bean breeding, tillage systems, water deficit management, biological nitrogen fixation and mineral nutrient requirements. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting Jeff Ullers, who's Programme Officer in Agricultural Development at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This reference will greatly improve the visibility of and access to knowledge about crops that play such a critical role in sustainable cropping systems, nutrition and income. Well, I very much hope that this insight into Volume 2 will quicken your pulse and make you keen to invest or recommend purchase of a copy for your library.